This video recorded in vertical for some reason, so we're going to try this again. This is a nasty, very nasty, nicotine-covered typewriter. Supposed to be that color. Here's how I got it to that color. And this isn't something that I figured out. This is an actual, like, typewriter collector condoned method. They'd probably take it a little more apart than I am, but trust me, this thing is not going to be damaged by this. Just make sure you get it good and evenly coated. Let it crap on your floor for a minute. And as soon as that foam goes down a little bit, you just wipe it off. And with it, 40 to 50 years of nicotine. And it smells nice and soapy as well, not like nicotine. It's the scrubbing bubbles, not the actual process, but it's nice to have something not stink for once. And to get it as nice as that hood over there, I did have to do this a couple of times, so this is not going to be absolutely perfect first time around, but it is an improvement, I think. Down the bell. It always seems to go on a little more evenly the second time around. I guess, you know, it's having to cut a whole lot less crap. But yeah. And that's how you clean a typewriter. I'll keep the video going until I wipe this last one off here. So this should be a marked improvement. We are getting there. There we go. That's more like what I was wanting to show off here. And once you get the good, the main crap out of this, you go back over it with some car wax, and it looks like brand new.